At number 5, we have the Sony WH-XB900N. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice as it delivers powerful bass performance through its extra bass technology while maintaining clarity in mids and highs. These wireless headphones feature active noise cancellation that effectively reduces ambient sounds, particularly in low-frequency ranges. Touch controls on the right ear cup allow easy management of playback, calls, and volume. The headphones support multi-point pairing, connecting to 2 devices simultaneously. Battery life extends to 30 hours with noise cancellation enabled, and quick charging provides 1 hour of playback from a 10-minute charge. The companion app offers customizable EQ settings and sound presets. Build quality is solid with plush ear cushions and a flexible headband, though primarily constructed of plastic. The foldable design and included carrying case enhance portability. Voice assistant compatibility with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri adds hands-free convenience.